And we also have some dinosaurs here. I know, very exciting, but don't worry. Don't worry, they're in their cages. As you can see, they were in their cages. Oh, that's... take cover! Ooh. Clever girls. That was just acid dinosaur spin, everybody. Nothing to worry about. Should wear shop soon. You'll be fine. You're fine. But those Jurassic Park films have a lot of dinosaurs. Yes, obviously, Olivia. We know this. They also have a lot of weather effects. You ever notice whenever those dinosaurs are attacking, usually for a torrential rainstorm. Yeah, dinosaurs attack when it's raining. Well, we're going to make it rain out here on this beautiful sunny day. We built a mechanical effect here, so we can turn on and off the rain with just a push of a button. So, like the turned on, I'm going to make it rain over to your left-hand side. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Make it rain. And this rain is the result of our overhead sprinkler system. It shoots the water straight up to the air, and it lets it fall back down to the earth naturally. And here's how we have complete control over the weather in a beautiful, sunny, dry place like sunny Southern California.